If you've spent time in crypto space, you've seen the giants. But there's a new breed that's been making waves with a mix of high speed tech and heavy focus on social good. This is Baby Dodge. Launched in 2021 from Binance Smart Chain, but Baby Dodge isn't just another meme coin. It was engineered to be hyper-deflationary. This means that the total of supplies is constantly shrinking through manual automated burns, making the tokens more scarcer every time it goes on. Which one of the largest and most passionate communities in the crypto world, often called the Baby Dodge Army. The project continues to push for mainstream utility while staying true to its charitable roots. So, whether you're here for the rewards, the low cost transaction, or the mission to help animals, Baby Dodge proves that a meme coin can have a massive heart and a serious roadmap. It's fast, it's community driven, and it's out to change the world, one po at a time.